This is Priyanshu. In today's video, we are going to talk about our class 6th mathematics chapter 13, which is related to the Telangana State Board practical geometry exercise 13.2. So in previous video, we already see the solution of exercise 13.1, and in this video, we are going to see the solution of exercise 13.2. So generally, if you have any kinds of doubt related to this exercise, so don't worry. In this video, whatever your doubt is there, whatever your confusion is there, everything is going to be clear. Okay, right? So from like such type of this practical geometry is there now. In this chapter, there is a no particular answer of this one. Okay, now this exercise no particular answer. Okay, sometimes it's all about the geometry. Okay, now so I hope you will understand. Okay, so let's talk about the first question. So what our first question telling that the first question telling here, construct a circle with center aim and radius 4 centimeter. Okay, now we have to create a circle with a center and radius. So generally, before I'm going to talk about such type of things, I try to explain a little bit about that one. Okay, now about the circle. Okay, now let's suppose this is a circle. I try to make the circle. Okay, now generally wait, I will make a circle here, then we will continue this. Okay, this is for the understanding purpose. Okay, now don't worry. Actually, after a long time I didn't did such type of the. Okay, it is not making. Okay, take the camera something up. Okay, what the hell it is. Okay, okay, so for till now only you have to wait for this. Okay, this is a circle. Let's think, because I cannot make the perfect circle, and right now it's not possible because I don't have such type of things to make a proper circle. But let's assume this is a circle. Okay, so this is a circle, and in this circle the middle part, that middle part is called as the center. Remember, this is a circle. Okay, this is a circle. In this circle, this middle part is called as the, this middle part is only called the center. Okay, remember, from the middle part, from this side, this line, from this half of the side, this is a full circle, this is a full line, this full line is called as the radius. What the hell with this pen. Okay, this full line is called as the diameter. Okay, diameter, the full line is called diameter. Half of the if you take the half of this one, this half here, this half divide this center divide this diameter two part. One is this part, another is this part. The half part is called only radius. This, from circle to this part is only called the radius. This part is called radius, and this half part is also called radius. But when you choose this full part, this full part is called diameter. But in the circle, from the one half part like this half part, it is called the radius. Remember. Okay, now I will explain it again. This is a circle. In this circle, this point in the middle, that is called the center. In the center, half line, if it is half line like that here, otherwise this is a circle, half line here, half line, just half line in the circle, in the half line, otherwise it will be here like that. Okay, now otherwise it will be like that here. So generally the half line, it is only called the radius. Okay, now if it is full line like that, full line like that, full line, if it is like full line and it is full, it's full line, it is called as the diameter. Okay, remember, the half line of the circle is called radius, full line diameter, in the center it is called the center. Okay, now in the middle it is called the center. You can say middle, it is center. Okay, now right, so now let's come to the topic. So in this one, it is telling that construct a circle with a center M and radius 4 centimeter. So we have to create radius 4 centimeter. So let's take the scale and let's make the first of all 4 centimeter only. Okay, we have to create 4 centimeter radius. Radius is half only now, so this is half. Okay, so the radius will be half. Okay, now this is okay. Now so here this is a center, it's become M, because you know that this, let's suppose this is a circle. Okay, this is a middle part. Okay, now this is center will be M. From here to here, this is 4 centimeter, let's suppose. So it means that we have to create from here. Okay, now I'm just draw one line here, 4 centimeter. I just draw one line like that. Okay, in this one I put it, this is m and this is total 4 centimeter. Okay, then after I just put it the scale here and I just created the circle like that, over or not. So like that here I'm doing, here the center is m. Okay, and here this is 4 centimeter, this is how much, this is 4 centimeter radius. Now I have to create the circle. Okay, so I will take like that. Okay, now from like that I am taking, now I will just do like that. Okay, now so once remember this one, this circle is getting lot of, it's bigger something I think. Now let's see, this is a total your circle. Now okay, this is a circle. In this circle, this is the middle part which is m, and from here to here this is 4 centimeter. Okay, I measured with this scale. First what I did, I measured the 4 centimeter, I draw, this is a m, this is a 4 centimeter, I draw the circle. Okay, right. So first question is over. So let's talk about the second question. Came to here. In second question, what is it telling? Construct a circle with a center x. Okay, so what will be the center? Center will be x. Okay, now let's suppose this is the only center. Let's suppose this is the only center. Okay, this is the center x. Okay, and the diameter will be 10. Now here it is not telling about the radius. This is circle. It is telling center has m. It is telling about diameter. So diameter, it is not half, it is full. So diameter is how much? 10 centimeters. So take 10 centimeter diameter. So in this one, this is middle is 5 only na, so this is 10. Okay, so this circle will be like that. Okay, the circle is like that. This is the 10 centimeter, this is the 10 centimeter. Okay, we have to create, first of all we have to draw the 10 centimeter line. I did 10 centimeter line. After that you have to take the center x. So this is a 10 centimeter. If you take half, it is going to be in the 5 centimeter, the it is 5 centimeter. Okay, in the 5 centimeter only the center will be there. Yes, it is center. Now we have to create what? We have to create the circle. So remember, this is not talking about the diameter. Just suppose this is circle. In this, from the center, if it is half, if it is half is there now, that is radius. If this full is there now, this is diameter. Let's suppose this is full, this is a okay, so what you can do, you can do like that you will make. Okay, now so we have simple, you can choose like that also, you can draw like that also. From the center to, you can put this one. Okay, this compass is there now, you can put in center, or here also you can put here also, and then also you can draw the whole line. Okay, then also you can draw whole line here. Okay, like that. Okay, now otherwise you will put here also, here also, here also, and you can like here also, here you can draw. Otherwise you can just do like that also, you can just extend this from here and here, you can put and you can draw. It's going to be, oh, it's, don't do like that. If it is doing like that, it's going to be lot of bigger, it is not going to be 10. Okay, now so always take from the center. Okay, now always take the circle from the center. So this is center, this is 4. Now you can draw with here. Okay, now so this circle is going to be cover all these things. Okay, okay, now you can see this is a circle, this is whole part is called radius, this is whole radius, not radius, this is whole is called as diameter, this is called diameter. Okay, this is diameter, whole is a diameter. But in this figure, in this first figure, this half, okay, now from center to here I taken and I circled around, that is the radius, this is called the radius or radii. But here this is the our diameter. Okay, now understand. Okay, so let's talk about this question. Okay, third question. So third question is also very easy. Draw the 4 circle. We have to draw 4 circles. The radius have to be 2, 3, 4 and 5 with the center P only. So in this one, what is telling, you have to take a radius in the center. From the center, the radius will be how much? It's going to be like that. This is 2. Okay, now the, if we talking about diameter is going to be double. So diameter will be like that, it is full. This is 4 centimeter, this is total diameter, but half, this is center, this is going to be 2 centimeter, it's radius, and we have to take center always P only. Okay, so let's talk about this one. So let's suppose I'm taking 2 centimeter. Okay, na? So from here to here I'm taking with pencil, or just take with pen only. This is 0 to 2. Okay, this is a 1 radius. Okay, this center, this is a center only now, this is P, this is a radius. Okay, now this is how much? 2 centimeter. Now we have to make the circle. So how we can make? It's very simple, just take like that and just do. Okay, na? one circle is there. This is another. So now another circle, 3 centimeter. So now we have to take 3 centimeter from here to here. This is the 3 centimeter. So this here to here, this is 3. This is P only. The center have to be P only. So center is P, and this is total how much? 3 centimeter. Here it's telling. Now create the circle. Okay. Actually, this circle is going to be something in this one also, but try to understand. Okay, so generally this, what the hell it is. Okay, take the camera something upper. Okay, the circle is going to be like that. Okay, circle is this one. If you see this one is circle. Okay, actually it is not clearly, it's made by me, but focus here. Okay, now 2 is 3 is now 4 centimeter you have to get. So 4 centimeter here. Okay, where it is 4 is here only so here to here, this is 4 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter. Okay, this is P. Now you have to create the circle like that. Okay, so this is going to be something like that. Okay, so actually I don't have a space, that's why I'm doing here only, but if you have a space, then you can do different. Okay, so here it is not looking clearly, but okay, that's the circle. Okay, 4 centimeter. Now we have to get 5 centimeter. So here, let's suppose this is 5, from here to here, this is 5, this is P, this is 5 centimeter. Now you can draw this like that. Okay, take this one from this to this, and now you can draw. Okay, like that. Okay, so generally it's become khichdi in here. Okay, it's become khichdi here, but don't worry, this is a 2 centimeter. Here it's circle, it's a 3 centimeter radius, circle is here. This is 4 centimeters, circle is this one. Okay, this is a 5 centimeter, its circle is this one. Okay, now let's come to the fourth question. So the fourth question is telling that draw a circle, mark the 3 points A, B, C on that. Okay, we have to create 3 circles. Okay, now we have to look at this. So it is telling A is a center. Okay, now we have to create a circle. Okay, let's suppose I'm creating a small circle in this one. Okay, let's suppose this is a circle. It's going to be bigger only. Okay, so generally look. Okay, so I don't have anything which make a circle perfectly, but what can I choose? Okay, I will try to make circle with this one only. Just wait a minute. Okay, now I just try to make circle with that. Okay, now let's suppose this is there. Okay, this is it's there, this is circle only. I will make circle with this one. I will use this to make the circle. Okay, a small circle. So I use this one like that, and I make the circle with this. Okay, I make circle with this one. Okay, so in this one it is telling A is on the center. This is a circle. In this one, this is A in the center over. Okay, now come to the second question. In this question we have to also create the circle. We created this circle. So in this one what is telling, B is in the interior of the circle. So what is the interior? Interior means like this is your house is there. Okay, this is your house. Okay, this is your house. Okay, which is in, and in your surrounding, this is the called boundary in your house there is a boundary. So in this boundary, inside the boundary, whatever things is there inside this boundary, whatever things are there this is interior. And after this boundary, this all like trees are there, buses are there, car are there, whatever things are there that is called exterior. Like that, here only it is telling that B is in the interior of a circle. So this is a boundary of the circle. In this one, in this area, in this one, B you can take anywhere. You can take B here also, here, anywhere you can take B. Okay, don't take B in the center, but apart from center you can take anywhere. Okay, now here what is telling, C is in the exterior. C is exterior means this is your house. In your house, this is your house. B is interior, inside the house B is there. Exterior means outside this boundary. C is will be like that. Let's see, this is a circle. Okay, this is the circle. In this circle, C will be exterior. It means that draw the C that side. You can draw here, anywhere you can draw C, like that. Okay, so generally in this question what will happen, I'm telling you, this is a one circle I'm making. I will make one circle. This is a circle. Okay. In this circle, the question is telling A is in the circle, in the center. Let's suppose this A is in the center. It is telling B in the interior. Let's suppose B is here. Okay. C is the exterior. Let's suppose C is here. Over. Like that. This is over. This is the only answer of this question. Okay. Like that you can draw. Okay, now A is in the center, there is circle, circle inside. B is interior, this is circle, interior means inside the circle. Interior means inside the circle. Inside the circle, B is there. Okay. C is means exterior, exterior means outside of the circle. Exterior means outside of the circle. C is the outside of the circle. Okay, so generally, okay, so this is totally here only. This is ended. Whatever in this exercise 13.2, everything is clear. I explained each and every question. So if you have any kinds of doubt, then you can comment. But generally this exercise, there is a no answer in the textbook, and if I am there, I can teach. So I can teach with my way. So it will be something different, like how your class teacher is teaching you, like that it will be like that, or so on. So it will be something different, how they teach and how I teach. So it's going to be something different. Okay na? Because everybody teaching styles is different. So I teach mathematics to the weak student. That's why my explanation way, and it's going to be something different. Okay na? But don't worry, if you have any doubt, then you can comment me. Okay, so let's see you in the next video. Jai Hind.